Installing the glasses spacer for your MetaQuest 3S is pretty simple. First, we have to remove the pre-install facial interface. To do that, you just go ahead and take your thumb and then place your index finger underneath. And then all you have to do is squeeze and then pull away from the headset. So let's go ahead and do that now. So push down gently. And then we have one side released. Let's go ahead and repeat that process for the other side. Again, squeeze with the thumb and index. And the top portion has been fully released here. Now let's go ahead and flip the headset over and repeat the same process. Again, thumb, index finger, squeeze, and it comes out just like that. Now all we have to do is just take the glasses spacer and just line this up. It only lines up one way. And gently just fit this in like this here. Let's go ahead and get them to slide into all the other grooves. And we just first make sure that that is all lined up. Okay, good. We heard the audible click. So it looks like this portion is good, but the other side isn't. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is lined up as well until we hear an audible click. Don't use too much force. So let's go ahead and do that now. There we go. That one side is done. Repeat the process for this side. We heard the audible click. That's great. Seems to be pretty well installed here. It's not coming out. And now all we have to do is just take the facial interface. And again, this also goes in one way. Line this up to the cutouts here. And then what I do is I hold the VR headset with my left hand, and then I just, once this is lined up, I take my right hand and then I just slowly you just squash them together like this until you hear an audible click. Again, flip the device. Just make sure it's all secure, and then once it's done, you just give it a small pull here. And just like that, you have installed the glasses spacer to your MetaQuest 3S.